Salut! Welcome to my travel diary. Today we are going to spend one day in Cannes, France. Cannes was our second stop while on Virgin Voyages cruises on the Scarlet Lady. Cannes is a tender stop and you need to take a boat to get to the city. But because it requires a reservation in the morning, we decided to enjoy the ship while there was almost no people. So first we went to have a quick breakfast in the galley, amazing selection on different breakfasts with some of our favorite. Once breakfast was done, we went to find a spot under the sun. It was a little cloudy, but the weather was pretty nice and we had to enjoy empty pool all to ourselves. Once weather got better and we received a notification that we can actually go and use a tender at any time, we decided to go and explore Cannes. You take a quick boat ride from the ship to the Cannes viewport. It's a very quick one, it probably will take about 10 minutes. Once we got there, the weather got worse and it started to rain a little bit, so we took a quick walk to the nearest wine bar to enjoy all the wine France has to offer. Once rain stopped a little bit, we decided to walk around the city to explore beautiful streets of Cannes. The tiny streets are full of different shops and different stores, a lot of French spirit here. You can also walk to the Rue Félix IV, which is right in the center of Cannes. It has a beautiful fountain and a lot of kids playing around. Then we took a walk to the Palais Festivals to see famous red steps, but unfortunately it was closed under the renovation, yet we still had the time to enjoy the beautiful place. Also, make sure you explore the Walk of the Fame to find the handprints of your favorite actors. It doesn't matter which street you go in Cannes, everywhere is just a French beauty with a little black balconies around you. All the streets are filled with the different shops, so if you're in the mood of shopping, this is a perfect spot. You can find little boutiques here, as well as a famous Galeries Lafayette. One of the most famous tourist attractions is Boulevard de la Croisette in Cannes. You will see a lot of people walking by the sea and enjoying this beautiful view of Cannes. You can also see our Scarlet Lady out from here. After walking on Boulevard La Croisette, you can head to the Old Port, also known as a viewport. You can walk around here to see beautiful yachts. After walking in the viewport, we headed to Château de la Castre, which was our favorite place in Cannes. You do have to take quite a walk to get up to the chateau, to the castle, but out of there you will see all the Cannes right in front of you. It has the most magnificent view of Cannes out there. Make sure you walk around the castle. If you go on the other side of the castle, you will see the other part of the Cannes that will give you a full 360 view. Out here, you can also find the famous Cannes sign, so make sure to stop by and take your picture there. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this one day in Cannes.